Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install DynamoDB via AWS SAM local step by step clearly. To install DynamoDB via AWS SAM local, first, ensure you have the latest version of AWS CLI installed on your machine. Next, install AWS SAM CLI by visiting the official AWS documentation. Select the appropriate installation method for your operating system, whether it's Mac OS, Windows, or Linux. Once the AWS SAM CLI is installed, verify the installation by opening your command line interface and typing SAM version. Now, let's set up a new directory for your project. Navigate to your preferred location in the command line and create a new folder by using the command dir my DynamoDB project. Change into the newly created directory with cd my DynamoDB project. Next, initialize a new SAM application by running the command SAM init. Follow the prompts to select a runtime and template. For this example, select the AWS Quick Start template. Once the initialization is complete, navigate into the function directory, typically named after the chosen runtime. Now, it's time to add DynamoDB to your project. Open the template.yaml file in your preferred text editor. In the Resources section, add a new DynamoDB table resource. Define the table with a name and attributes, specifying the primary key and any other necessary settings. Save your changes to the template.yaml file. Next, let's build your application to ensure everything is set up correctly. Run the command SAM build in your terminal to package your application. Once the build is complete, start the local API using the command SAM local start API. At this point, DynamoDB should be running locally with your SAM application. To interact with your DynamoDB table, you may use the AWS CLI or the AWS SDK in your preferred programming language. Test out the local DynamoDB instance by inserting, updating, and retrieving items using your defined API. Make sure the data behaves as expected and adjust your code or configuration if necessary. Finally, when you are finished, you can terminate the local server using Ctrl+C in your command line. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.